Let's go.
So which one should you go for? If you want the sharper, more vibrant experience, pick the Vivo T5X 5G. It gives you a crisp Full HD Plus display, noticeably better performance thanks to its newer and faster chipset, a much superior 32-megapixel selfie camera that can even shoot in 4K, plus 4K video recording from the rear as well. You also get a slightly bigger battery and the latest Android 16 out of the box. Overall, it's the stronger all-rounder for watching videos, playing games, and taking great selfies, even though it costs a little more. On the other hand, if these things matter more to you, expandable storage with a microSD card, the convenience of a 3.5mm headphone jack, slightly faster 45W charging, and a lower price tag. Then go with the Oppo K14 5G. Just keep in mind you'll have to live with a lower resolution screen and a more basic 8-megapixel selfie camera. Both phones are absolute beasts when it comes to battery life. With their massive 7,000 and 7,200 mAh batteries, you can easily get 1.5 to 2 full days of use. And both come with that tough IP69 rating, which is seriously impressive for this price range. They can handle dust and water like champs. In real-world use, you'll feel the performance difference most when you're gaming or multitasking heavily. The Vivo clearly has the edge there because of its more powerful chipset.